How to solve Snapchat fail to send. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the app, scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. And then click here on this permissions option. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back and then click on the data usage right here. On this option, you will find all the network access options. All what you have to do is enable all these options and then go back. Click on the storage, click on clear data like this, click on delete. After that, go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it after 5 seconds. And now all what you want to do is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, this means that you have a problem with the network that you are connected to. So try to change the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you are using. Don't forget to like, subscribe.